Chinese person Naruto, who planted that image, still around today. Speaking of Naruto characters, Shampoo from Ranma 1/2, Kagura from Gintama is famous Naruto. Long before them, in Cyborg 009, Chanchan-ko was their Naruto. For Bunsan, Chinese character equals Naruto. That image was first planted by Cyborg 009, probably released to mark Cyborg 009's 30th anniversary. Super simple type, beautiful. The whole thing is so clean. But only here is yellowed. This is not dirt. Someone mistook it for dirt. A chemical change called dark yellowing, it has turned yellow. Wiping will not remove it. Angel Uncle flower water. Dilution ratio 30%. Apply it to the discolored area. Sunlight is not strong today, put it in the sun and reapply every hour. Will it come off? 2 hours this time. Sharp mask ROM, Nintendo security chip. IPA. Lubricant. Ultra low speed. Magic powder. Apply gently. Gentle piston.
Oh, give more tea.
Degreasing. On the power line, reducing voltage fluctuation and noise, an electrolytic capacitor to prevent glitches. 22 microfarads 16 volts. Apply holy water. Soldering iron. Solder wire. To make it easier to suck up, add solder. Desoldering pump. Wiggle wiggle wiggle, pop. No plated through holes. Cost cut PCB, on the whole walls. There is no metal barrel. Front and back are not connected. Because it is not plated through hole, use only a little solder. A Mount Fuji shape is ideal. Zombie body fluid. Take it from the lid, this one is hard. Gen Z tears. Ijuan light. Both sides toasted.
Catch coach.
Magic medicine. Rust prevention and lubrication, life extended over 10 years. $19.94. Slows yellowing and deterioration, silicone coating, go into the future.
5 Mission.